I am so happy to be at Saint Agnes. It honestly feels like my second home. The beauty of this institution is definitely its well-roundedness. If I had to use one phrase to describe Saint Agnes, I would say it allows us to be who we are created to be. As St. Pope John Paul II said, Catholicism must be about forming the human person, or the whole person. I feel like this is inherent at Saint Agnes. The culture here is life-giving and supportive. My name is Francesca. I'm a senior at Saint Agnes, and I transferred my freshman year from out of state. I'm now speaking to you as the student body president. Opportunities here at Saint Agnes, they're endless. In short, this has been my experience. I'm involved in volleyball, painting and drawing, choir, student leadership, performing arts, and so much more. All while getting an interesting education. I love the depth of conversation that happens in all my classes. The content and culture of my classes push me to be a better person. Teachers here challenge you and push you outside of your comfort zone to grow and continually search for truth. I also get to explore opportunities of service. As an example, I help tutor the younger students here to help them catch up and stay afloat with their study materials. The younger students here really add to the culture to give St. Agnes a real family atmosphere. And I've made lifelong friendships. I can't wait to grow old with these friends. I'm known here. Teachers and administration know my name, they know who I am, and they treat me with love and respect. But this is about you and your experience. What do you want high school to look like? The next 4 years of your life. 3-sport athlete? Pursue the performing arts by building your personal portfolio? Are you hoping to explore upper-level math, science, and philosophy? What you are going to find here is purpose and direction, with professional guidance in whatever path you choose. At St. Agnes, you're going to build your resume with all the amazing opportunities we have. And at the end of your 4 years, you will stand out amongst your peers as you enter into the college horizon and the workforce beyond. In the end, it's all about forming Catholic hearts, minds, and souls. Come see for yourself. Contact our school to come and visit for a day and see if this is the culture you want to be immersed in for the next 4 years. See you soon, and go Aggies!